Hey everyone, welcome back to Thy Legal Lenz, where we break down complex legal concepts into simple, understandable bites. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all things law. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic: municipal law versus international law. What's the difference? How do they work? And why should you care? Let's find out. Segment 1: Introduction to Municipal and International Law. First, let's define these two terms. Municipal law is the law that applies within a country. It governs individuals, businesses, and the government. Think of it as the rules set by your own country's legal system. On the other hand, international law is the body of rules that governs relations between different countries, international organizations, and, in some cases, even individuals. A simple way to remember it: municipal law equals laws within a country. International law equals laws between countries. Segment 2: Key differences. A comparison chart appears on screen. Let's break it down with some major differences. 1. Authority and scope. Municipal law is created and enforced by a country's own government, while international law is based on agreements between nations. 2. Subjects. Municipal law governs citizens, businesses, and institutions within a state, whereas international law deals with sovereign states, global organizations, and sometimes individuals. 3. Enforcement. In municipal law, courts and law enforcement agencies ensure compliance. But in international law, there's no global police force. Enforcement depends on treaties, diplomatic pressure, and international courts like the International Court of Justice, ICJ, and International Criminal Court, ICC. Now, let's make this even clearer with some real-world examples. Segment 3: Real-world examples. Checkmark. Example 1: Crime and punishment. A theft case in India versus a global crime tribunal. If a person commits theft in India, they will be punished under the Indian Penal Code, IPC. That's municipal law at work. But if a leader commits war crimes, they might be tried by the ICC under international law. Example 2: Trade disputes. U.S.-China trade tariffs versus WTO dispute resolution. If the U.S. imposes tariffs on Chinese products, American companies must follow U.S. laws. But if China challenges this under World Trade Organization, WTO rules, that's an international law matter. Example 3: War and human rights. A soldier tried in a military court versus a global human rights tribunal. If an Indian soldier commits a war crime, Indian law applies. But if a leader orders genocide, they could be tried by the ICC under international law. Segment 4: Why does this matter to you? Understanding these differences helps you see how laws impact your daily life and the global stage. Whether it's international trade, human rights, or even war crimes, law shapes our world. That's it for today's episode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Thy Legal Lenz for more legal insights. Have questions or want us to cover a specific topic? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered, and keep looking at law through the right lens.